Hey, what's up? This is DIY Nader Tater, and I'm back with another video to show you how I unclogged this shower drain. The first thing I did is removed the drain cap to take a better look at what was going on. So I found these handy dandy little clog removing sticks at my local Menards and thought I'd give them a try. As you can see, I'm already pulling out a bunch of gunky hairballs out of the trap. Over time, hair falls into the trap, creating a web of sorts, and anything from shampoo residue to skin oils connects the dots and creates a disgusting clog. This clog turned out to be deeper inside the trap, so I had to pull out my toilet clog remover and really work that clog out. I decided to pour some baking soda and vinegar into the trap just to break down the residue and to go the extra mile on this job. Now you're ready to turn on that shower and make sure that the water is draining like it's supposed to. If it is, do a bang-up job cleaning up the shower and put that drain cap back on.